Hi, my name is Richard Diaz, and I'm a family man. I am single now, but have 8 adult children and 11 grandchildren, who I love to spoil rotten. In fact, I take them out often, places like Buffalo Wild Wings, golf and stuff, to play air hockey, and sometimes we just go bowling. And I love to cook and host family dinners every Monday night. It's a big group, but we're lucky we're able to spend much time together to share lots of fun and food. Family. For me, nothing is more important, and that's precisely why I love to sell cars at Neftin Westlake Mazda. Sure, I can sell cars anywhere, but the Neftin family treats every employee and customer like their own extended family. It's refreshing because it's not like that in other car dealerships. Sure, other stores might have good service, but it's not the same, and it's not as fun. At Neftin, we make it easy to buy or lease a new or pre-owned car. And when you're ready, I welcome the opportunity to help you. My name is Richard Diaz.